Dollar cost averaging, or DCA, is a powerful systematic investing strategy that can help you build wealth over time. This comprehensive deep dive will explore the mathematical foundations, strategic benefits, and practical applications of this time-tested investment approach. Whether you're a beginner or experienced investor, understanding DCA can transform how you think about entering the market. Dollar cost averaging is an investment strategy where you invest a fixed amount of money at regular intervals, regardless of what's happening in the market or what the asset price is at that moment. The beauty of this approach lies in its simplicity and consistency. You might invest weekly, monthly, or quarterly, but the key is maintaining that fixed dollar amount each time. When prices are low, your fixed investment automatically buys more shares. When prices are high, you naturally buy fewer shares. This creates a mathematical advantage that we'll explore in detail. Let's compare DCA with its alternative, lump sum investing. With DCA strategy, you spread your investments over time with fixed periodic amounts. This approach offers lower emotional stress because you're not trying to time the market perfectly. It reduces timing risk and provides a disciplined framework that performs particularly well in volatile markets. On the other hand, lump sum investing means putting your entire amount into the market at once. This gives you maximum market exposure immediately and historically shows higher potential returns in consistently rising markets. The key advantage is more time in the market. Each strategy has its place, and the right choice depends on your situation, risk tolerance, and market conditions. Let's walk through a concrete example to see DCA in action. Imagine you invest $1,000 every month for 4 months. In month 1, the share price is $50, so you buy 20 shares. In month 2, the price drops to $40. This is where DCA shines. Your $1,000 now buys 25 shares, more than before. Month 3 sees the price rise to $60, so you only get 16.67 shares. Finally, in month 4, the price returns to $50, giving you 20 shares again. After 4 months, you've invested $4,000 total and accumulated 81.67 shares. Here's the magic. Your average cost per share is $48.97, which is actually lower than the market's average price of $50. This mathematical advantage is the core benefit of DCA. The mathematical power of DCA comes from a fundamental formula. Your average cost equals total investment divided by total shares purchased. But there's something deeper happening here. DCA leverages what's called the harmonic mean of prices. Your fixed investment amount automatically buys more shares when prices are low and fewer shares when prices are high. This creates a natural averaging effect. The key mathematical insight is that DCA cost approximates the harmonic mean of prices, which is always less than or equal to the arithmetic mean. In volatile markets, your average cost per share will be lower than simply averaging the prices you paid. This gives you more shares for the same total investment, a genuine mathematical advantage that compounds over time. DCA offers 4 powerful benefits that make it attractive for many investors. First, it removes timing risk. You don't need to predict market tops or bottoms. Instead, you invest consistently regardless of conditions. Second, it reduces emotional bias. Automated investing removes fear and greed from your decisions, helping you stick to your plan without emotion clouding your judgment. Third, DCA actually benefits from volatility. Price drops become opportunities to buy more shares at lower prices, reducing your average cost. Finally, it builds discipline. Creating a consistent investing habit means regular contributions that compound over time, building long-term wealth through systematic action rather than sporadic market timing attempts. While DCA has many strengths, it's important to understand its limitations. In consistently rising markets, lump sum investing typically outperforms DCA because you get immediate full market exposure. Transaction costs can also be a concern. Multiple smaller purchases may incur higher cumulative fees compared to a single large investment, reducing your net returns. There's also the issue of delayed returns. Cash waiting to be invested misses potential market gains. Remember, time and market often beats timing the market. Finally, there's opportunity cost to consider. Historical data shows markets trend upward over time, so holding cash for future investments may underperform immediate deployment. These trade-offs don't make DCA bad, they just mean you need to choose strategically based on your situation. Choosing between DCA and lump sum depends on your specific circumstances. DCA is ideal for regular income earners with consistent cash flow, risk-averse investors, times of high market uncertainty, beginning investors learning the market, or when entering at potentially high valuations. Examples include monthly salary investing, pension contributions, or systematic savings. Lump sum works better when you receive a large windfall like an inheritance, bonus, or business sale proceeds, especially during strong upward market trends with low transaction costs and a long investment horizon ahead. It's best for investors comfortable with volatility and market risk. However, there's also a hybrid approach. Invest 30 to 50% immediately and DCA the remainder over 6 to 12 months. This balances immediate market exposure with risk mitigation through gradual entry, offering the best of both worlds for moderate risk tolerance. Implementing DCA is straightforward with 4 key steps. Step 1. Set your investment amount. Determine a fixed amount you can consistently invest each period based on your income and budget. Don't worry about starting small if needed. Consistency matters more than size initially. Step 2. Choose your investment frequency. Select your schedule, whether weekly, bi-weekly, monthly, or quarterly. Align this with your income cycle for maximum consistency. Step 3. Select your assets. Pick diversified assets like index funds, ETFs, or individual stocks. Broad market exposure is generally recommended for beginners as it reduces risk. Step 4. Automate and stay committed. Set up automatic transfers and purchases through your brokerage. Stick to your plan regardless of market conditions. Review your strategy annually, not daily. The automation removes emotional decision-making and ensures consistency over time. Let's recap the essential insights about dollar cost averaging. DCA reduces timing risk and emotional decision-making, making investing more systematic and less stressful. It provides a mathematical advantage through harmonic mean pricing, giving you more shares in volatile markets. It works best for volatile markets and regular income investors who can commit to consistent contributions. However, remember that lump sum often wins in rising markets historically, so context matters. Most importantly, consistency and discipline matter more than strategy choice alone. The best investment strategy is the one you'll actually stick with long-term. Choose based on your risk tolerance, cash flow situation, and psychological comfort. Whether you choose DCA, lump sum, or a hybrid approach, the key is starting and staying committed to your investment journey.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.